Hello students, welcome back to Prudence Coaching English class. Here, as you know, we provide ICSE, CBSE and WBSE solutions. Today, we came up with another interesting topic, that is email writing. Yes students, email writing is a very important part for the students of class 10. So you must have to memorize the format, because email writing is very much easy and getting full marks in email writing is at your hand now. We have formatted this email in such a way that if you once look at the pattern, then there you'll have no problem. So let's discuss this question students. Write an email to the principal of Central Montreal School requesting him to send a team of 3 members to participate in the debate competition in your school. Students, this question has been repeated in the exam for several times. So prepare this email very briefly and prepare this email very skillfully. So let's start this. In the beginning, there is from section. So in from section, you have to provide the email address of your school. You can imagine any email, but it will be associated with the username at the rate and then the domain name. So it is, we are sending the email from VMS school. So here we will be providing VMS principal at the rate gmail.com. Next, two section, here we have to provide the email address of that particular school where we are sending the email. So here we are sending the email according to the question. We are sending the email to the Central Montreal School. So we'll be providing here the email address of that particular school, Central Montreal office at the rate yahoo.co.in. Next, there is CC section. So in this CC section, we have to provide a carbon copy of the email. What is carbon copy students? That means here we will be providing a email address of the principal of that particular school. That means we will be sending this email to both the school office of that school and to the school principal of that school. Yes students, the two section and the CC section are two different section. We have to write the CC section. In the CC section, we have to write the separate email address from the two email section or the two column. Next, we will be providing the subject. Here we are sending the email for inter-school debate competition. So we'll write invitation for inter-school debate competition. Next, we'll leave a single line gap and we'll start the letter as that of the formal letter. Okay, here we'll be writing this email in the form of formal letter because this is a formal email. Next, we'll start like this. Respected sir, you will be glad to know that our school is holding an inter-school debate competition on 10th January 2021 at 11 a.m. in the school auditorium. So students, you can see here we have provided the date of the event. This is the time and the venue. This is very much important while you are writing any email or any letter associated with the quiz competition or any organization of event. So the next line, the topic for the debate is school students should not use social media. You have to provide the topic for the debate as well. It will be a great favor to me if you kindly send the names of at least 3 students to participate in the debate competition before 31st December 2020. In the next para, you will write, I would appreciate if some staff member of your school accompanies this participant. I may assure that the participants will be looked after well. Looking forward to your prompt response. Writing this line is very much important, students. Next will be write thanking note. That is thank you. Next, after a single line gap, you will write yours faithfully, Arpan Sarkar. That means you will write your name here and then you will write this designation and the school name, Secretary Cultural Program, Vivekananda Memorial School. So students, here the email gets completed. So if you follow this pattern, then I can assure you, you are going to get 100% marks in email. Students, don't skip email writing in your exam, because scoring 100% marks in email is very much easy and you are familiar with this right now. So students, our last request is that if you find it helpful, then don't forget to subscribe channel, like our content. Hello students, goodbye.